can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress. I met you last December. Well, I think it was. Your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You
So, magstay kami dito for 2 nights and 3 days. Sponsor ng mga gastusin namin sa credit card. Galing sa points yun ah. Huwag kayong ano dyan.
and you think you're fun.
So, today is, ano ngayon? February 20, Friday. And it's currently Ramadan.
Third day of Ramadan.
Third day of Ramadan. So, nalaman ko, di ba may nagdadasal? Nalaman ko na sa baba merong canon something. Hindi ko mabuo. Basta yung pagka before ng iftar, pag iftar na after ng breaking the fast. Yun yung signal na pwede na sila kumain. Meron sa baba. Finally, nakapag-hotel din ng hindi work. For the past couple of months,
Paano mag-chat?
lagi ako nag-hotel pero work. Ha?
Paano mag-chat with a roaster?
Gusto nyo ba ng proper room tour? Dahil umalis siya. Inuwi food. Ito yung washroom. May shower. Tapos, lavatory. Ano ba ito? Palabas. Shower. And then, water closet. The usual. And then yan, lagayan ng luggage. Merong ironing board. Mga hanger. And then, maybe working table. Kaso ba't nasa harap ng TV? Complimentary water, tea, coffee, and then may mini fridge. Tapos merong blower. Tapos meron lang, I think this is a sofa bed. Hindi ko kaya, basta nahahatak. Tapos ito yung bed. Ayan. Ang weird nga kasi may earplugs. Ayun pala yung safe niya. Tapos merong earplugs. Di ko alam for what. I mean, ba't meron? King size bed. Pero pwede nyo siyang ipapalit ng twin. If gusto nyo na dalawang twin instead of king size bed. Tapos, ayun, balcony. Medyo mabigat lang tong door. Ayan, yan yung balcony niya. Hindi ko sure kung lahat ng room is may balcony dito sa branch na to ng Grove. Baka, ewan ko, di ako sure talaga. Pero yan. Bali yung room na to, binook ko siya from You by eMarco na app. Kasi may points ako doon for my credit card dito sa Emirates NBD dito sa Dubai. So, ayun, kagagastos. Nakaipon ng maraming points. So, wali yung first night namin, na-cover niya yung points ko sa credit card, na-cover niya yung buong first night namin. And then, ang binayaran lang namin is yung second night. Cute. May coat hook dito. Kaso ang taas. Ayan, yun lang. Nag-staycation lang talaga kami for our 3rd year anniversary. And ayun nga, para magamit ang points at hindi masayang. So, nag-staycation na lang kami. Bali, yung Rove Hotels, madami siyang branch. Tama ba? Parang weirdong branch itawag sa kanya. Pero madami siyang branch dito sa UAE. And this is one, which is binilt noon dahil for the Expo 2020 siguro, for sure. Tapos, yung dati naming inestayan nung pagdating niya ng 2023 sa may World Trade Center. Tapos, marami pang ibang Rove. Malapit sa beach, sa JBR, sa La Mer. Kaso medyo pricey pag doon kasi may beach access. But anyway, this is fine for now. Yung Rove Hotels talaga yun yung medyo affordable na hotel dito sa Dubai. If hindi naman ka naghahanap ng luxurious, na hotel or stay, okay na sa Rove. Kasi marami rin siya activities. May gym, may mga play area. At dito, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo, may co-working space sa baba, which is doon ako nagstay kanina kasi may pasok pa kami until 2 p.m. So, nagstay ako doon to work. Wala lang, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng area. Tapos may free water pa. Look at their room number. Merong rail.
Right?
Rail.
Where? Ano?
But it's too high. May rail. Pero masyado siyang mataas. So, di na siya maabot ng mga
Ano yung zero?
maliit. Kagaya ko.
Ito ba yung zero? O yun?
Muna. Ito yung lobby. Ayun yung entrance from Wasl Plaza Dome. Pero yung main entrance niya nandun sa kabila. Ayan, ang ganda ng lobby. As in, pwede kang mag-work anywhere. Lahat may socket. Tapos, itirador ng complimentary drink. Yan yung reception. Bakit? Hintayin ka na lang mamaya. Kabayan man yun si kuya. Tapos, yan yung main entrance. Yan yung drop-off area. Tapos doon yung may co-working space. Tatay mamaya. Ito yung restaurant. Gusto ko yung isa eh. Gusto ko yung isa. Meron silang pods. Ayan, libre naman siya. Hindi katulad sa ibang kailangan mo pa mag-register or what. Tapos dito, locker ng mga luggage. Oh! Tapos ito yung co-working
Pang mga dings.
space. May mga meeting rooms doon.
Pang mga dings.
Wala. Dito sa baba. Andun yung table tennis. Ayan siya. Parang cafe yata. May drinks din ata dito, B.
Okay.
And doon. May table tennis.
What's the hub?
I don't know. Ganyan. Tapos meron din doon sa labas.
Ano meron sa loob?
Saan lang din. Tara. Ito may washroom. Meron, di ba nga Ramadan ngayon? So, meron silang iftar buffet. Na 129. Tapos ito din, pwede ka rin mag-work dyan. Grabe, pwede ka mag-work anywhere. Tapos nandito, may PlayStation. Meron ito ulit.
Bakit may coin?
Meron ito. Tara, akit na tayo. Yun lang, yun yung ground floor niya. Ano lang, puro mag-work ka lang, ganun. We're at 12th floor. Anong meron? Merong pool. Wow, ang ganda ng view.
Wala.
Grabe yung view.
Grabe,
Kita nyo ba yan?
Linis mo.
Puro sand. There is the pool, washroom.
Bawal siya mag...
Pool. Mainit.
Dami dito sa loob ka na.
Yung paggabi maganda dyan kasi may ilaw.
Ay, shoot ako na.
Hanggang 10:30. Ano da? Oo, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Hanggang 10 siya. Usually, ang regular hours niya 8. Nakalimutan din niya kasi Ramadan. Eh, syempre lalabas ang mga tao. Gabi na. May energy na sila mag-swimming pag gabi. Kaya for sure, late na siya magsasara. Which is good. Kasi masusulit mo yung pool. Ayan, may seats lang siya dyan. Sunset viewing ba? Sunset viewing. Nice. It's nice. Nice naman. Ayun nata yung ibang rooms na walang ano. Na walang balcony. Nag-yoga nga sila dun sa loob ng gym.
Okay, dito sila sa loob. Nasukay tayo. Dito ka na lang.
Pala yung main entrance niya. Drop-off area. Ay, mali. Kainis kasi. Tingnan nyo naman yung pinto. Hindi mo ma-distinguish alin yung door mismo na nag-open. Ayan yung ano, yung cannon something. Hindi ko pa rin talaga alam. Cannon firing. Ayan, Dubai Police. Diba may media? So, everyday yan. Pagka magbe-break na ng fast.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb.
Nakalimutan ko mag-video. Mayroong museum dun. House of Arts. Tapos ito yung pavilion ng Egypt. Pero abandoned na siya. Nag-iikot lang kami. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early. Something about your brother's flight. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind.
Grabe yung to. Anong ghost town?
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop on stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it. I stay like now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time won't be the same again. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
Wow, look at that. Grabe ang healthy. Nagsalad na ako.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost.
Checking out.
And
Checking
I've
out.
been
Hindi namin alam anong ko. Pareho!
time you left
Ah, pani. Minsan lang kami mag couple shirt.
I just wanna
Ayaw niya
tell
kasi.
you what's on my mind.
Okay, happy ka naman, Lee. Ano masasabi mo sa tonight's stay mo?
How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush.
Sayang na. My room.